Hi, I'm Lena here at FTD Customs, and today we're going to be talking about our black contrast nightmare. So here we're going to have our polished floating rotors. These are not going to be your matching rotors. They're kind of more of the enforcer look where it is open so you see through the rotor kind of as well. We trust these, we like these, and they're just really good quality, and that's why we put them on our wheels. All of our wheels will come drilled for a TPMS sensor. It will be either 2 inches above or below the valve stem, and you will use our valve stems when you do order a TPMS, but we can always put them in your wheel before they ship to you. And there will also be an easy install video under this video if you needed help with that. If you order this setup with our rim and our tire, we internally balance with Dyna beads because you're paying for a good quality wheel, so you will have Dyna beads all on the inside that will balance it for you. So for our warranty, we do offer a lifetime warranty on our rims and our hubs. We get them locally powder coated or locally chromed, as well as making them in-house, so we really do believe in the quality of our products. Feel free to contact us by email or by phone if you happen to have any questions about our wheels, our warranties, or even our show schedule. We don't make for just Harley, we do also offer a lot of other brands of bikes. Stay tuned to the end and there will be a list of all the bikes that we do make for. And that'll be it for our 21-inch black contrast nightmare.